The contractor doing $2 million a year. The contractor doing $2 million a year isn't a better tradesman than you. His welds aren't prettier. His ductwork isn't tighter. His installs aren't cleaner. He didn't go to a better school or earn a fancier certification. He's better at the phone. He's better at the follow-up. He's better at making the customer feel taken care of before the job ever starts. He answers when they call. He follows up on the bid the next morning. He sends a quick text when a part comes in early. He treats the communication side of the business as seriously as the technical side, because he figured out that's where revenue actually comes from. The trade gets you in the door. The follow-up gets you paid. If you're great at the work, but stuck between $500,000 and $800,000, the bottleneck isn't your skill. It's everything that happens between the estimate and the signed contract. That's the gap I help contractors close. No fluff. No courses. No red tape. Drop your current close rate in the comments. I'm curious what you're working with. And with that, more to come.